Stuck on preheat or add food? Fix the hidden sensor misread. If your oven won't move past preheat or keeps flashing add food, even when the tray is inside, the problem usually isn't the tray. It's the hidden sensor that checks if everything's in position. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Let the oven cool down. If it's hot from a recent session, give it 10 to 15 minutes to cool off. This avoids false reads and protects internal parts while you clean. Step 2. Find and clean the hidden sensor area. The Ninja oven uses a magnetic contact sensor. It's not visible. It sits just inside the lower right corner of the oven frame, behind the front edge, and it's triggered when the oven tray is fully inserted and the door closes flush. Pull out the crumb tray and wipe along the bottom rail, especially near the right side. Then clean the top edge of the oven tray and the bottom lip of the door. Crumbs, grease, or warping can all block the sensor signal. I've linked the lint-free cloth I use below. Safe for sensors, better than paper towels. Step 3. Reinsert and retry. Slide both trays back in fully, close the door, and restart your cook function. The message should now clear. If it still won't start, unplug the oven for 60 seconds and try again. And if the issue keeps coming back, contact Ninja Support using the link in the description. If this helped fix the stuck display, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a cloth that won't scratch or shed on the sensor area, I've linked the one I use below. Thanks for watching, and clean where it counts, not just where it looks dirty.